Hello friends, I am Dr. Sulbha Pawar, consultant gynecologist. My special interests are PCOD and infertility treatment. Last week we have met about preconceptional counseling. After that session, many of my friends are asking me about how to calculate exact ovulation period so that they can plan your pregnancy. So, on behalf of my all female patients and my friends, this video is all about how to calculate your ovulation period. If you are a keen observer, you can exactly calculate your ovulation period. Why to calculate ovulation period? If your cycle is of 30 days, then the ovulation occurs at 14 to 16 days. And why it is more important? Because after ovulation, the ovum is fertile only for 24 hours. So, if we can know the ovulation period, we can plan or unplan our pregnancy. So, this video is all about how to calculate our ovulation period. There are three methods, very simple. First method is a calendar method. When your periods are regular, then the ovulation occurs exactly in the mid-cycle, that is in 14 to 16 days of your cycle. But when the periods are shortly 5 to 10 days less or more, then you have to observe the length of periods during last 6 months. Suppose if your shortest cycle is of 25 days and longest is of 35 days. Very simple method, subtract 10 from these values and you will get 15 to 25 days. So between 15 to 25 days you have to maintain a contact to get pregnancy. Second method is all about body temperature. Because of some hormonal changes before ovulation, body temperature rises by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius. If you are a keen observer, you can actually feel the change in your body temperature. It is okay, you can record a temperature, but the exact time should be followed. If you are recording a temperature in the morning, it should be recording daily in the morning or in the evening. When you are waking from the bed, I think it is the right time to record your temperature. Third method is your cervical mucus. Generally, cervical mucus is sticky, but after ovulation, it is watery. When you are observing your changes in your cervical mucus, you can exactly know the changes in the cervical mucus and you can tell your ovulation period. So these are the three methods by which you can calculate your ovulation period and get your pregnancy planned. Many of my friends are asking that how they can connect with me. Very simple, my Facebook page is Dr. Sulbha Women's Healthcare. You can like and anytime you can ask me questions regarding these issues, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel for new information about pregnancy and PCOS. Thank you.